Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers, Muhammad Shelby. Welcome to video number 15 of 1 minute activities. Our activities are for students to practice English in class. This activity, we need only a whiteboard and no preparation at all. You can even make do without a whiteboard, to be honest. Now, today's activity is called adding words. This activity has 3 variations. In this video, I will share the first one, and in the comment video, I will share the other 2, inshallah. All 3 activities are supposed to help students explore and discover the rules of grammar of English based on the idea of altering an existing sentence. Adding words needs only a few seconds per student to complete. Procedure 1. The teacher writes a simple sentence on the board, maybe something like, "It's Saturday." One by one, students must suggest 1 or 2 words which can be added to their sentence. 2. The new words are written in, and the student who suggests the words reads the sentence out loud, the new one. The class then decides if the sentence is grammatically correct. 3. Alternatively, the teacher can indicate a place in the sentence where the new words should be added and invite suggestions from the class, as a whole. Now, let me give you an example. It's Saturday. It's now Saturday. It's now Saturday night. I know it's now Saturday night. I know it's no longer Saturday night, etc. So that's it for this good activity, which I definitely hope you like and will use. Let me know in the comments when you do, and share this video with your friends. Next video, I will share the other 2 variations with you, inshallah. Use the hashtag 1 minute activities for more fun activities like these. I love you all, and I will see you tomorrow with a new activity, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.